I never know if the watermelon I buy will be sweet or disappointing, but today I'm turning it into a perfect summer drink. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy healthy drink ideas, simple recipes, and wellness inspiration, don't forget to subscribe and join our growing community. And make sure to watch till the end to see how my little one reacted to the today refreshing homemade juice. With the temperatures getting hotter, this is the simplest way to stay hydrated and enjoying something fresh and delicious. One thing I always struggle with is choosing the perfect watermelon. And honestly, I usually just buy and hope it will be the best. Sometimes it's sweet and sometimes it's not what I expected. If you have any tips on choosing the perfect watermelon, let me know in the comment section. I would love to learn. The first thing I do is wash my watermelon thoroughly before cutting it. Then I wash the mint, the ginger, and lemon, and make sure everything is nice and clean. Looking at the watermelon, you could definitely say it was maybe overripe, but I had to test to make sure it's still perfect and in good condition, and yes, it was still good. For today's juice, I'm using watermelon, fresh mint, ginger, lemon, and some coconut water. Not only is this combination refreshing, but it's also a great way to stay hydrated. There is something so satisfying about making your own juice at home. And by the way, if you're interested in the juicer I use, it's the Canoli C16 juicer, and the link will be in the description box. And now it was the time to juice everything together. After juicing everything, I gave it a taste. The flavor was refreshing, but I felt like I needed a little bit of the ginger kick and more of the mint for freshness. So I went back and added extra ginger and mint. Sometimes recipes need a little bit adjustment, and that's completely okay. After making the changes, the flavor was much more what I was looking for. Refreshing, cooling, and perfect for a hot day. Now for the best part, let's pour it into a glass and see the result. The color looks so beautiful and so refreshing, served cold. So nice. Of course, someone noticed the juice too. My little one was very curious and wanted to try too. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.